This is 7 News at 5.
And now, new video of the final moments of a man's life. His killer still on the streets. His mother heartbroken.
Something needs to be done. This needs to stop.
And a violent night in Pompano Beach.
Oh, the bullet hit one of the shelves.
7 News with the search for shooters. And we start off here tonight in Fort Lauderdale. 6 months after her son was shot and killed, a mother is asking for answers. Police hoping what she has to say will lead to a break in this case. 7's Vanessa Medina live with her words from the Fort Lauderdale Police Department here tonight. Vanessa.
Well, this mother is asking for the public's help so that someone can identify her son's murderer. This video just released today shows the last moments of her son's life. This as police here in Fort Lauderdale continue to investigate.
I don't ever want to see another mother have to go through what I'm going through right now.
A mother's anguish after her son, 34-year-old Stephen Black, was shot and killed back in March. It happened at Tony's Market in Fort Lauderdale. The violent shooting caught on surveillance video. You see the gunman walk in with a hoodie. Stephen is distracted. Then the gunman points a gun at him, and he is shot point blank in the head.
I want to look up and see my son coming through the door. I want to see my son asking me have I done his laundry and asking me to cook him some shrimp and cook him some broccoli, do some of the favorite things he liked to do. This needs to stop. I can't get all of that back.
Colette Black is angry. She says her son's death could have been prevented.
Something needs to be done. This needs to stop.
There have been numerous shootings at Tony's Market, she says, and it needs to stop. Now she's filed a lawsuit against the neighborhood store for negligence.
Tony's Market is a business in Broward County in Fort Lauderdale that is a menace to our society and a menace to our community. We know that in the year before Stephen was shot, Easter of 2021, there was a 6-year-old and a 16-year-old shot and injured at Tony's Market when more than 50 rounds from a semi-automatic rifle was shot into the crowd.
So Fort Lauderdale police say they beefed up security and patrols after that Easter shooting. And they say violence stopped for a while. Then in March, Stephen was shot and killed here.
His death shall not be in vain. Maybe with the death of my son, it'll bring light to this situation.
Now Colette is hoping for change at the market and hoping someone comes forward identifying her son's murderer.
I can't change what has happened, but maybe change is needed. I don't want no mother to ever feel. So if you know something, if you saw something, you need to say something.
So police here in Fort Lauderdale hoping someone knows something. If you do, call Broward Crime Stoppers at number 954-493-TIPS. If your information leads to an arrest, you could be eligible for a reward. Reporting live tonight in Fort Lauderdale, Vanessa Medina, 7 News.